the Festival of Lights, Diwali is a time to reflect upon the good in your life and a time to start anew. The song you just heard is our very own Tommy Ferrari from 7th grade singing Ganesh Praratna, a song to celebrate new beginnings.
The word Diwali means row of lights. During Diwali, people adorn their homes with rows of lit lamps called diyas. Lighting the diya symbolizes the removal of ignorance through knowledge.
So today, as we lit the diya, we invite you to consider an area in your life or someone else's life that needs enlightenment. How can you be the light in someone else's life? Sophie, what did you think about?
I thought about how I could write an encouraging note to a friend.
Oh, Shush, what about you?
I can enlighten my mind by practicing gratitude each day, but I still don't understand. Why do people celebrate Diwali? It's quite an exciting story. Here, let Caleb and Priya tell you about it. This is the story of good
And evil.
The story starts out when King Dasaratha of Ayodhya, Rama's father, promises one of his wives, Ayodhya, that he would do anything that she wished. She wanted her son, Bharat, to become king instead of Rama, the rightful heir. So she forced Dasaratha to exile Rama to the forest for 14 years. After this news was delivered, Rama's wife, Sita, and his loyal brother, Lakshmana, head off to the forest.
But like in any good story, there is an evil villain. Ravana, the demon king, Ravana's sister, Surpanaka, wants Rama all to herself. She goes into the forest where Rama rests and tries to lure him by turning into a beautiful waiting.
Rama tells her that he is married and offers Lakshmana instead. But Lakshmana declines and Surpanaka is enraged. She turns to her true self, the hideous demon, and attacks Lakshmana. Lakshmana quickly reacts and cuts off her ears and nose.
This, of course, makes Surpanaka even more enraged. This causes a chain reaction, and Ravana quickly becomes furious when Surpanaka tells him what happened. Ravana sent out one of his shape-shifting demons to capture Sita, Rama's wife, as revenge.
The demon arrives in the shape of a golden deer. Sita sees a deer and adores it at first sight. She asks Rama and Lakshmana to protect it for her.
While Sita is alone, Ravana captures her and flies back to his kingdom.
Rama is heartbroken that Sita is gone. He and Lakshmana pray for her to be saved. Thankfully, Hanuman comes to his rescue. Hanuman is surrounded with an army of horses. He possesses the power to fly over mountains, make himself huge at will, and has incredible strength, which makes him Rama's most powerful ally.
Soon an epic war had broken out with Rama, Lakshmana, Hanuman, and his monkey army fighting, trying to defeat the evil Lord Ravana. Hanuman made an enchanted circle of fire around Sita so that nothing could hurt her.
Hanuman's army killed every demon there was, except for one, Ravana.
Rama shot many arrows at Ravana, but not a single one was able to hurt him. Then Rama shot at Ravana with an arrow given to him by the gods, at the king of the demon stomach. This finally defeated the malicious king, and all was at peace.
Rama and Sita were finally reunited and returned to the city of Ayodhya, to find the entire city waiting for them. The streets were decorated with flowers and lights to celebrate Rama's and Sita's homecoming, and the victory of good over evil.
So Shubh Diwali, and we hope that good always triumphs over evil in your life.
Good definitely won over evil in that story. How to celebrate?
You can. One way to celebrate is by dancing.
Really? What type of dancing?
Let me show you. Next stop. Bollywood. we're going to have a really quick Bollywood dance tutorial right here. And Kendall and Rita are going to show us the signature step of this dance. The first step is you take your right thumb and turn it down, and you bring it around this way on a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you take your other hand and do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, it's your turn. Go ahead and stand up, teachers and students. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Your next step is you hold up 2 fingers, bring it up to your right eye on 1, and then do the same thing with your left eye. 2. And then we have this step called a DJ step where we turn to our left and do this motion right here. 3 and 4. And then move back with your arms like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that from the line. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, stay standing. We're going to try with music.
Sometimes people celebrate Diwali by using mehndi, or commonly known as henna, on their hair. Look at my friend Toronto. Mehndi, or henna, is a plant-based dye that fades from your skin after time.
People also celebrate by wearing traditional clothing. Take a look. First, we have Caroline and Katie B rocking a Salwar-kameez, a very traditional outfit made of bright materials and worn like leggings and a dress. Second, we have Sophie L, Adriana, and Katie Z modeling another traditional women's wear called Megachon. This traditional outfit includes a short top, a long skirt, and just like the Salwar-kameez, is brightly colored and vibrant.
Last but definitely not least, we have Sardak and Sherwani. Traditional menswear is made up of pants that are tapered at the ankle, paired with below-the-knee button-up coat that comes with many different solid and unsolid colors.
Wow, how vibrant. I learned a lot today. So tell me, if I meet someone celebrating Diwali, what do I say? Merry Diwali?
No, you can say Happy Diwali. Repeat after me. Happy? Happy. Diwali. Diwali.
You can also say Shubh Diwali, which means good Diwali. Say after me, Shubh Diwali.
Diwali. You can also say Diwali Mubarak. This means Diwali blessing. Repeat after me. Diwali Mubarak.
Thank you, students and teachers, for joining us today. We wish you a
Happy Diwali!